Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Donna from CreArtive by Nature. So I have a long awaited Dollar Tree haul, Dollarama, and your dollar store with more. Okay, Dollar Tree Canada. Everything there is $1.25. So I've been wanting to get some cherry blossoms. These weren't the exact ones that I was looking for. They had a different style. They looked a little bit more authentic, but I thought, well, for what I'm wanting to do, these will probably do the trick because they were all sold out of those other ones. But I am extremely picky when it comes to my artificial florals and greenery. Yeah, I know. Picky, picky, picky. But I like things to look very realistic. And I can't afford to be buying fresh flowers all the time. So anyways, so got those. And then I found this infinity scarf. It's the one that's got the feather pattern on it. I thought it was really pretty. I thought if I don't wear it, I thought it would be really pretty to use in, say, a wreath or some kind of project. So purchased that. I got 2 of these floral foam. They're the half rounds that are angled to fit inside pots or what have you. I have a future project involving these, so it won't be happening for a little while because I need a couple more things for this project, and it's going to take me a little while to create it. So once I have everything, I will share that with you all. This is another thing they have now to be on the lookout for, is their Floral Garden wired LED lights. They have the copper and the silver. These are great to use any time of year, as you all know. And then I had already opened this. My friend Tina Kazarian had given me these tiny little bottles. Do you think I can find them now? I put them away somewhere. Oh, I'm seriously so bad for that. Anyway, so I picked up some new ones. They're not exactly the same, but they'll do. They've got a pretty thin tip. I opened them already because I wanted to see what they were going to be like. Okay, so they had some faux succulents in stock still. They didn't have all the ones that I wanted, but again, a future project going from spring to summer. I want to use these, so I thought, well, I'll at least start to collect them while I can and while they're still available, and I'll put them aside, and once I have enough to create that project, then I will share that with you all. Just so you know, I don't end up sharing everything I create because there's some things that turn out to be a flop. But yeah, I just wanted to let you all know. And the other thing is too, sometimes I will share these things now because I'm purchasing them now, but I won't be using them for quite a while. It's just sometimes you have to get these things when they're available because they might not get them again. So just so you all know that. So I needed more LED pillar candles, and then they had this really cute jar or bottle, sorry. It's got the flip top lid on it so you can put something in there, but I have another project in mind for it. This will probably be more of a summer project that I have in mind, so won't be seeing this again for a while, but I thought it was really cool. I hadn't seen this before, so. And then clay pots. Again, now's the time to get these. This is actually a pretty good deal. 2 for $1.25. The only thing I don't like is that it's got some weird brushed finish on them, but I'm gonna try to figure out a way how I can age these. Maybe I'll just put them outside once it warms up and just let the rain fall on them, so that'll probably help to age them. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm gonna play around, see what I can do to age these pots. I got these cute little birds. I don't typically buy stuff like this, but I don't know. I think they're cute. Good to have on hand, I guess, hey? Especially going into spring and summer. Okay, so I purchased 2 tins. I have an idea for Mother's Day, which I know is a ways away, but you've got to think ahead for projects. So purchased 2. Hadn't got these before. I know they come in the square as well, but I just needed the round. And then I was super excited to finally find these. They are the little prayer boxes. Aren't they adorable? And one of these had a message written inside, and it actually kind of broke my heart when I saw it. My daughter discovered it. Of course, now I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Look at that. Look what that says. It says, "I pray my family loves me." And then it has a sad face in it. Well, guess what we did? We prayed for this girl or boy, whoever wrote this. We prayed. So obviously it's somebody who's hurting. But I love these little boxes. I thought these would be great to put with those books that they have, those faith books that they have. I thought that would be such a pretty little gift. That with, I don't know, some other little gift. But anyways, I thought these are great. It would also make a cute little portable art kit if you are into that. So this was another thing that I was on the look for. Finally found them because my store finally got them in. They're the plant hangers, the chains. I've been waiting for those to work on something else that I had in mind that I've been, well, thinking about for a while. And I'm like, oh man, I need those chains. I need those chains. So I was super happy that they got those in. And then I also purchased some other decorative rock. These are to go with the larger stones that I purchased for the project that I have in mind. And then lastly, I told myself I wouldn't buy any more stickers, but I couldn't resist these. How adorable are these ones? Zoom in so you can see. I can't remember who I saw haul these, but look how cute! They've got like food with little cute faces. I don't know which ones are my favorite. I think the avocado are my favorite, and the little eggs. They're all cute. The French fries. Yeah. Anyways, so that's everything from Dollar Tree. I want to thank you all so very much for being here and patiently awaiting for this haul video to come. I'm not going to be doing as many haul videos from the dollar stores. like I said, I'm going to be making my shopping trips very intentional as far as my DIY and crafting and art projects go. So I will probably doing more like collective hauls. So I will see you again. I have a DIY coming up again on Thursday, and I'm hoping to keep my postings regular on Mondays and Tuesdays, Mondays and Thursdays, unless something comes up. But otherwise, yeah, Mondays, Tuesdays, and if there's any challenges or something exciting that I want to share with you, then or holidays, I will be sharing videos on other days, but for sure you can see me on Mondays and Thursdays. All right, till next time, take care. Bye-bye.